So the CFOP method means cross, F2L, OLL and PLL. In this video I will be telling you how you can solve the cross efficiently and fast. So first of all, you want to hold the cross on the bottom, not at the top. This is because you'll have to rotate the cube in order to insert the first pair or any pair for that matter. So the first step is to hold the cross on the bottom. Well, that's a bonus tip. I won't be including that as an actual tip. Okay. So the first thing is to solve the whole cross during your inspection time. You get 15 seconds of infection. You get 15 seconds of inspection, and you need to plan out the whole cross during that. Thing is, do not align your centers at the start. And by that I mean, oh, the cube got scrambled. Okay. So I know that transition wasn't that clean. Okay. So by that I mean you have to memorize where the edge pieces, the center pieces are. So by that I mean you have to memorize green is to the left of orange and orange is to the right of green for all the centers, and memorize the opposite sides too. By now the first thing is you want to look for the edges like we did for the beginner method, and link in the description for the beginner method. Okay, anyway, sorry. And now that I know where the edge pieces are, I know that blue goes to the left of red and blue is here, so I'll just insert it here. So I know that green goes to the right of red, so I'll just D2 it and put this here. And now I'll just, and I know that orange goes to the opposite of red, so I'll just put this here and D2 it, and there's the cross. So that wasn't the best solution. I was just demonstrating why you need to ignore the centers. So now the second tip. The second tip is do moves that set up other edge pieces. For example, another very unclean transition later. This is another scramble, and now what? Now we'll look at the edge pieces first. Okay. So now I know that green and orange are adjacent to each other, and green goes to the left of orange. So now when I do U, this should align it. So I'll use that information for later. And now I'll move this here so that this doesn't get replaced. Red goes to the right of blue, so I'll just move this here and do this. U2 it, D2 it, and that's your cross. That took these many moves, and if you did it from beginner method, that would have taken this many moves. So the third tip is know your inserts. For example, so the third tip is to know your inserts. By that I mean you should, this is definitely the easiest one, F2. But if the edge is like this, then you should know by muscle memory that you have to do this to insert it. When your edge piece is aligned like this, you should know by muscle memory that you have to do this to insert it. So for this example too, so, and this does not move this corner edge piece, so this stays like that, and now we can go on to solve the. So this is the first scramble, and be sure to scramble it with the green side on front and the white side on top. Okay, so your cube should look like this, and I will give you some time to make your own solution, and then I'll show you my solution. Okay, so you can pause your video and make your own solution, but now I'll start with the solution. Okay, so I can see red, orange, green and blue. Green is already solved, so I will not mess with that for now, or else I will mess with that for now. So I know that orange and red are opposite to each other, so I'll do this, insert it like this and insert it like this, and I know that to the left of or to the right of red is green. So I'll just move it here and do this. And now I know that the red or the blue piece is here, so I'll just do the 3 move insert. And as you can see, we have solved the cross, and this was these many steps. So I would have done it like this if I were in a real solve. And now the second scramble should be on your screen here. So your cube should look like this, and you can pause to make your own solution. And now I'll be giving my own solution. Okay, so what I can see immediately is that the blue edge is solved. So, and the red edge is here. So I can do the 3 move insert. So I'll move the blue edge here so that orange can be inserted, and I'll do the 3 move insert. And now I know that the green edge piece will be here, and I'll do the 3 move insert again. So the number of moves should be here. And make sure to post your own solutions at the in the comments, and I will make sure to read them, and any suggestions will be greatly appreciated. So the third scramble should be on your screen, and your cube should look like this. Now you can pause the video and make your own solution. Okay, so my solution is that I know that green is to the left of orange, so I'll insert this here, and I know that the red is opposite to orange, so I'll move this here and insert it. And now I know that the blue edge is here, and I'll do the 3 move insert and then do D2. So the number of moves should be here. So the fifth and final tip is, do not move the edge piece out and insert it. Move the cross and then insert the edge piece. So because I know that to the right of blue is red, so I'll just move this. So I'll just do a D prime and insert it. So when I do a D prime, they will get inserted. So that's it. So those are my 5 tips to make the cross efficiently. And a bonus tip, make sure you watch a lot of example solves. And by example solves I mean solves which are done by faster cubers, which they explain. And if you liked my content, be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video if your friend wants to know it. And yeah, thank you, bye.